Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious pork lo mein with vegetables and mushrooms. So let's get started. Yeah, and for the main ingredients to make our delicious pork lo mein with vegetables and mushrooms, we have about a half of a pound of a pork loin here that we're going to slice up nice and thin. Yep, and over here we have our Shiitake mushrooms. That's about a 4-ounce can there. And back here we have our Shin Ramyun noodles. Yeah, they're a little bit spicy, you know. And you can use the season pack that's in there, but we're going to only probably use maybe just a little bit of it, maybe a quarter of that, just to kick it up a notch. Okay. And over here we have 2 cups of mixed vegetables. Now there's broccoli in there, Italian green beans, carrots, baby corn cobs, water chestnuts, red bell peppers. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay. Okay, let's put some of this aside. Okay, now we're going to check the weight of our, pork loin here because I'm kind of unsure of how much it weighs. So let's check it. We're going to use our digital scale here. It's a real nice one. So let's just go ahead and move this out of the way for a minute and bring in our scale. Can you see it? Okay. Okay, it's zeroed out in grams. So let's just put this right on there and we'll find out how much it weighs. Okay, 239 grams. That's a little over half a pound. That's good. Okay, now let's go ahead and cut this up and turn it into some really nice pork lo mein. Yeah, we'll slice it up nice and thin. All right, let's do that. Okay, before we slice up our pork loin real thin, yeah, I went ahead and forgot to sharpen my knife again. Yeah, okay, so we're going to go ahead and use this AnySharp knife sharpener. Yep, and we're going to just go ahead and put it down here, and I'll hold it down because the suction cup won't stick to this type of material here, the cutting board. So we'll just go ahead and try to lock it down, but no, it won't stick there. All right, but we can just hold it. And we'll take our nice knife and we'll pull through there 3 times. Okay, now that should be nice and sharp. Okay, let's test it out on this nice pork loin. Okay, let me turn it so I can cut it easier. Yeah, okay, just about like that. Now we're going to cut that in about 1/4 inch strips. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, that knife is really sharp. Look at that, 1/4 inch strips. Beautiful. Okay, now you can cut the big fat pieces off if you want. Trim them up, Let's see if we can cut this one in half. Just see how sharp this knife is. Beautiful. Cut that right in half. Okay. Okay, I'll trim off some of the fat here and we'll slice it up. Okay, let's get rid of this piece. And we'll probably get rid of this piece. Okay, now let's just go ahead and slice these up into some nice thin strips. Just like that, see them? Okay, there you have it, all our pork cut into nice thin strips. Let's go ahead and put them in a bowl. Okay, there you have it. Our pork all sliced up into some nice thin strips there. Okay, that's good. Now all we have to do is make a marinade for this. So let's do that. Okay, let's make a marinade for our nice sliced pork here to make it taste really good and tenderize it, you know, and lock in that moisture. That's what counts. We got to keep that moisture in there when we stir fry it. Then it won't get chewy. Okay, let's make a marinade. It's quick and easy. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, a half a teaspoon of brown sugar. Now you can use white sugar if you have it, or even, you know, honey. Put that in there. And we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of water, yep, and 1 tablespoon of oil, or sesame seed oil, whatever you have. And we're going to go ahead and mix that up. Now what the oil is going to do is help the cornstarch from not sticking to each other, you know, so that when you fry it up in the pan there and stir fry it, it won't stick together. Okay, let's go ahead and put this aside and let it marinate. Now all we have to do is start cooking our Shin Ramyun noodles. So let's do that. Let's get started doing that. Okay, let's go ahead and add our Shin Ramyun noodles in there, and we'll cook them up. Yeah, these Shin ramen noodles are a little thicker than the regular, you know, noodles you get in them little square packs. Now we want these to be a little bit al dente, you know, not too soft. Okay, our noodles are done. Let's just go ahead and shut off our burner. Okay guys, there you have it. Our delicious noodles. Okay. And we'll go ahead and put them in a bowl. And we'll add a little bit of oil in there, you know, maybe a teaspoon. And mix them up. That'll keep them from sticking. Okay. Let's put them aside. And let's start stir frying. Yeah, that sounds good, doesn't it? Okay, let's go ahead and set our burner to medium high. And we'll go ahead and let our pan warm up, and then we'll go ahead and add some oil. Okay, our pan seems hot enough. Let's go ahead and add some oil. Now put enough in there because we're going to fry up our vegetables. Okay, let's go ahead and add all our good vegetables in there, and we'll stir fry them up. Look at them. Don't they look nice? Okay, let's stir fry them up a little bit here. Now we don't want them too soft. We want to keep them kind of crunchy. Nice little corn there. Get them a good coating of oil there. And we'll soften them just a little bit, but we want them still crunchy. Water chestnut, good. Okay, they're done. Let's just go ahead and shut off our burner for a minute, and we'll get them out of there. Okay, there they are, our beautiful vegetables. And they're done just perfect. Okay, let's put them aside for a minute. Okay, now we're going to turn our burner back on medium high. I'm going to go ahead and take our marinated pork here, yeah, that we sliced up. Put that right in there. Now we want to try to brown them a little bit here. Okay, they're looking good. Okay, let's just go ahead and add our shiitake mushrooms. Put them in. Now we're going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Now we're going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of rice wine. Put that in there. Now when that rice wine cooks off, we'll be ready to add our nice soy sauce mixture. Okay, let's just go ahead and add our soy sauce mixture. Put that in there. Give it a little mix. Okay, now we're going to add our pre-cooked Shin ramen noodles. Put them in. Okay, let's mix that in kind of gentle like. And those noodles will help thicken that up with the cornstarch that was in with the marinade, you know. Okay, they look pretty good. Okay, let's lower our heat to medium-low. And we'll go ahead and add in our vegetables. Put them back in there. Look at all them. Aren't they nice? Beautiful. Okay. Okay, let's mix that up a little bit here. Wow, that looks really good. Really good. Okay. Okay, that's about done. Everything looks really good and everything's nice and hot. So let's go ahead and shut off our burner. And let's have a taste test, because this really does look good. And this definitely is quite big. So what else is new? That's normal. All right, let's just go ahead and have a taste. Okay, guys, here it is. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? That's our delicious pork lo mein with vegetables and shiitake mushrooms in there. Look at all them good mushrooms. Boy, they look good. And it's loaded with pork, you know, and loaded with vegetables, and I'll bet you it's loaded with flavor. Yeah. All right, let's just go ahead and have a bite, because I can't wait any longer because it smells too good. Okay, where to begin here? We got all these mushrooms and everything. All right, let's just try one right here. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. Can you see that? Look at the size of that mushroom. And look at the pork. Okay. That is just beautiful right there. Okay. Let's have a bite. Wow. That marinated pork there is so tender. And it's definitely juicy. And that spice pack from the Shin ramen noodles, that kicked it up a notch. And it's just perfect. You can put about half a pack of that seasoning pack in there. And you know, it comes with like 2 packs, you know. One is really spices and the other one is the hot and spicy seasoning. Just use about a quarter of that hot and spicy seasoning, you know. and you're good to go. Or half if you like it a little bit more spicy. Or the whole thing if you really like it spicy. Yeah. Okay. That is really tasty. Just go ahead and make it this way because it is really delicious. And this will feed a family of 4. Yep. So if you're only a family of 2, you know, just go ahead and invite a couple guests over. They'll definitely love you for it because this is really tasty. Yep. Very good. Yeah, we just got to have a little bit of the lo mein noodles here. Okay, let's see how they are. Yep, that is really tasty, and the lo mein noodles has a nice flavor to them, and they are a little thicker, you know, so that's good. Perfect. And with all these good vegetables in here, you know, like the water chestnuts and the peas and the different kinds of vegetables. Look at those little baby corns. Yeah, that's good. Okay, guys, you know what'll go good with this since we're having it for dinner? You guessed it. I'm going to have a nice, tall, chilled glass of white wine today. And I'm probably going to serve it up with a couple guests, too. So, there you go. Okay, guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious pork lo mein with vegetables and shiitake mushrooms. That's what's for dinner tonight. And boy, is that tasty. You're going to love this one. Good.